The HolyHeal Folding Walker HH-2000 is designed with a stable handle and optional ski glides, making it easy to switch between different surfaces for a smoother and safer experience. Constructed from reinforced aluminum alloy, this lightweight walker can support up to 350 pounds, providing reliable balance and stability for seniors. It features a convenient trigger-release folding mechanism, allowing for easy one-handed folding and compact storage, ideal for travel or small living spaces. Equipped with 5-inch wheels and ski attachments, the walker offers effortless movement across various surfaces, enhancing daily mobility and confidence. The adjustable height feature allows for customization from 30 inches to 38 inches, accommodating users from 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 6 inches, ensuring proper posture and comfort. With soft, non-slip handles, the walker reduces hand fatigue and provides lasting comfort, making it a dependable choice for long-term use.